Welcome to the TaxMax first quarter program new self-employed process video from December 2013. For more information, you can attend a free live webinar. These are hosted every October through early January. You can email us, trs@taxrefundservices.com, go to our website, taxmax.com, or give us a call at 813-987-2199. Now, since I will be working inside of our website for most of this video, this information will not be appearing at the bottom of the screen. This is the front page of our website. When you have a self-employed customer, you're going to do almost exactly the same as you would with a W-2 customer, with one change in the middle of the program. So let's get to it. Again, I've entered a Social Security number that's already in the system, so the information is going to pop up for us. Enter their basic information here. Click Next. Enter their filing status. Enter the children's information. Enter the W-2 if they have one, which a lot of self-employed people will have both self-employed income and W-2 income. Click Next. Since I have a single parent, we have a couple questions by the IRS. Click Next. Now this is where the change comes in the additional income screen. Before, what we would have you do is call us immediately at this point. And what would happen is we would have to go into our software here at TaxMax and have you ask the customer again for their basic information for the kids and the W-2s after you've just entered it. That caused a lot of irritation and frustration. You're very busy at a car dealership, so you didn't want to waste that time double entering and asking the information twice. So the new process is that you scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click here for a 1099 miscellaneous or self-employed customer. Now I'm about to click on this link here to generate the paperwork, but what's going to happen is the paperwork you're going to fax over to us, we're going to put it into our software here at TaxMax. In the meantime, you can go out, look at a couple of cars, you can do other paperwork that you need while we're doing the data entry portion on this end. And we're going to call you. We're going to quote 10 to 15 minutes. Our goal is to call you in about 5 or 10 minutes. It just depends on how busy we are. So click here for the information sheet. For those of you familiar with our program, this information sheet looks almost exactly the same as a normal customer. The only difference here is that it's the first couple of pages of information. There's no signature involved. It's just the basics that we need to start a self-employed return. You just fax it over to us and we'll call you back. Again, 10 to 15 minutes is the quote. The goal is 5 to 10. Some things that can help speed up the process. These are some things that you can have your customer looking into while you're waiting for TaxMax to call you back. And these are the self-employed categories. Okay, we're going to need the total income, which if there's a 1099 miscellaneous, it's already going to be on there. But we're definitely going to need some expenses because the IRS's attitude is you have to spend money to make money. So it's almost impossible to have a business without expenses. So think about this before we give you a call. We really don't look for gas receipts, and we definitely don't want commuting miles. But how many other miles have you put on your vehicle for business purposes? Other things that can be helpful are advertising, business cards, cell phone expenses, electric, utilities, meals and entertainment. We see a lot of equipment and office supplies as well. Now these are questions that will be asked when TaxMax gives you a call back to verify the information and to finish up the tax return for you. So make sure that your customer is aware of some of these items. Another document that can be helpful to you is something that we don't provide to most dealers. However, it is something that I provide to those that attend our webinar series, and it's the self-employed customer checklist. So if a customer comes onto your lot before they file their taxes, and they say, what do I need to bring? Well, this is the answer to that question. These are the items that you will definitely need. Your photo ID, Social Security card, the correct year of birth for your kids, your W-2s if you have any, and these are the items that you should bring with you. We're going to need that 1099 miscellaneous or the total income. The top 3 customer list is very helpful to us as well as the sample expense categories. And again, at the bottom of the screen is a $20 coupon which you want to customize to your dealership and make sure that your customer knows that it's there. Once again, for more information, you can attend a free live webinar October through early January. Definitely email us, trs@taxrefundservices.com. Go to our website, taxmax.com, or give us a call at 813-987-2199. For those of you that are part of the Drive Now Network, make sure you're watching your emails. When you get an email, that lead is 5 minutes old or less. That is a customer that has been online looking to buy a car using their tax refund. And those are leads that we are sending directly to you that you signed up for. If you have not signed up for the Drive Now Network, make sure you give us a call and we can give you some more details.